And here, this generates preventive maintenance, which is essentially a multi-table concept. We have a header, and then we have lines. This is what it's doing here. Okay, it's going to go into ChatGPT. It's going to create, a preventive maintenance. Let's say change oil every 6 months, let's say, and it's going to give a step on how to do that. First, turn off the car, open up the hood, take the temperature, and it's doing that. And here in parallel 4 times. So it's creating us a whole maintenance strategy. There's lots of lots of prompts, but it's really the only way that you'll achieve value for very specialized users, such as a maintenance planner or reliability specialist, is by having AI workflows that can punch their weight, that can be configured with such constraint, that can browse the web, that can write back to Business Central, browse maintenance manuals, and ultimately it looks like this one. I might do a bigger video on how to build this beast. It's going to be a longer one, or maybe it's going to be a webinar, but just wanted to give you guys a bit of a sneak peek.